Good morning, my dear kids. I hope you all are well, fine at your places and doing your homework daily basis. Yes, very good, my dear students. So, welcome you all in today's maths class. In today's maths class, we will do the book exercise 3E, story based subtraction sums. So, let's start. Open your books, page number 37. Okay, what are the story based subtractions? You have already done the story based additions. Yes, you all knows how we do the addition of story based. So here, see on page number 35, one example is given. It was Aditya's birthday. It was Aditya's birthday. He invited 43 friends to his birthday party. Understand? Out of which 16 were girls. How many friends were boys? आदित्य की बर्थडे पार्टी पे उसने 43 फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट किया जिनमें से 16 गर्ल्स हैं. Which out of which 16 were girls? 43 में से 16 girls हैं. And how many friends were boys? What is the question here? How many boys were there in party? So how we will find out? Total friends were invited 43 and girls, how many girls? 16. So we will do the subtraction. 43 minus how many girls? 16. Total friends 43 and girls 16. Do the subtraction. How we will do it? 3 is smaller than 6. Then how we will subtract it? Yes, tell me quickly. Yesterday we have done this kind of sums. Yes. 3 will take one borrow from 4. This is ones and this is tens. So if 4 will give one borrow, 1, 2, 3, it will be 3 now. अगर 4 ने 3 ones को दिया तो now here is only 3. And if 3 takes one borrow from 4 tens, then now it is 13. Yes? So 13 minus 6. It is easy now. Okay, how we will do subtraction? 6. We will count the numbers from next number of this. Okay. This is 6 and we will start counting from next number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here I have 7 numbers on my fingers. 7, 3 minus 1, 2. So if there were 43 students invited in the party, 16 were girls. So now we have the number 27 here. 27 boys were invited in the party. Yes? Understand? Okay. So now we will do this kind of sum, story based sum in 3E exercise. Here the first example is solved. So again we will revise it firstly and after then we will do these sums. Okay. So first is the children of class 2 need to make 65 cards for their teachers. क्लास 2 के स्टूडेंट्स को अपने टीचर्स के लिए 65 कार्ड्स बनाने हैं. दे हैव फिनिश्ड मेकिंग 42 कार्ड्स. उन्होंने कितने कार्ड्स बना लिए हैं? 42. हाउ मैनी कार्ड्स आर लेफ्ट टू बी मेड? कितने कार्ड्स उन्होंने और बनाने हैं? So, if we have two numbers in one story based sum and third number we have to find out, then we will do subtraction. हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स हैं, हमने थर्ड नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है, एक नंबर हमको फाइंड आउट करना है, देन वी विल डू subtraction. Okay, here the first sum is solved already. 65 cards they have to make, and 42 they have already made. So 65 minus 42, this is the sum. Now we have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 2. Okay, 2. Next number is 3, 4, 5. So here see, I have 3, 6 minus 4. So we will start from next number of this smaller number. 4, 5, 6. 6. So answer is 23. Like this we have to solve these sums. Now first of all, on page number 37, on top of this page, here you have to write the date. Okay, on page number 37, the date is 24/6/2021. Done. Today we will do story based subtraction. Okay, so here the sum is, ma'am is reading, you have to listen, understand. Okay, listen carefully. So start. A toy aeroplane costs ₹94 and a toy racing car costs ₹67. Which toy costs more and by how much? टॉय एरोप्लेन का प्राइस है 94 एंड टॉय रेसिंग कार का कॉस्ट क्या है 67. एंड विच टॉय, हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि दोनों में से कौन सा टॉय है जिसका कॉस्ट हाई है, कौन सा कॉस्ट ज्यादा है एंड कितना. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हियर you have given the space for solving sum. You have to write bigger number on the top, 94, the value of aeroplane, and the other number is 67, the cost of racing car. Here on top you have to write tens and ones. Okay, now we will solve it. See, here we have two numbers 4 and 7. We have to do the subtraction. So the number here is smaller than the below number. So 4 will take 1 borrow from 9. It will become 14. And 9 is 8 now. Here we have 8 tens and here 14 ones. So we will subtract it now. 14 minus 7. So start counting from next number of 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 8 minus 6. 6, 7, 8. Only 2. So here we have the cost of aeroplane and this is cost of racing car. Now we have the difference between these two costs is 27. So the aeroplane costs 27 more than a toy racing car. जो एरोप्लेन का कॉस्ट है वो 27 रुपीज टॉय रेसिंग कार से ज्यादा है. Here we have given the space for answer. So you have to write like this. A toy aeroplane cost ₹27 more than a toy racing car. Okay. A toy aeroplane costs ₹27 more than a toy racing car. This is answer you have to fill here. Okay, the next is there are 45 students in class 2A. 29 students are selected for the dance and rest for the race. How many students were selected for the race? 45 are total students. Total students are 45 and 29 students are selected for dance. 29 students are selected for dance. So we have to find out that how many students are selected for race. Okay. So here this number is again smaller than the other. So it will take one borrow 15 and 3. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 3 minus 2, 1. So here is the answer. 16 students are selected for race. Here you have to fill the answer. 16 students. 16 students were selected for the race. 16 students were selected for the race. Are you doing? Yes. Okay, the next sum is 52 students of class 2 are going to the zoo in a bus. 52 students are going. Where are they going? In zoo. Yes, to the zoo in a bus. Good. 35 girls are going to the zoo. How many students were boys? Okay. Total students कितने हैं? 52. And how many girls are going to the zoo? 35. We have to find that how many boys are going to the zoo. 52 are total students, 35 are girls, and we have to find the ratio of boys. So here top we will write tens and ones. 2 will take one borrow from 5, 4 and 12 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. 4 minus 3. Only 1. So 17 boys are going to the zoo. 17 boys. Write the answer. 17 boys are going to the zoo. Okay, done. Next and the last sum is Amar has 59 kites. Amar has 59 kites. He gave 27 to Karan. How many kites are left with him? Amar के पास 59 kites हैं. We will write tens ones. 59 kites and he have given 27 to his friend. How many kites he have left? उसके पास अब कितनी kites बची हैं? 9 minus 7. So now this number is bigger than this below number. So no need to take borrow and we will start counting from the next number. 7, 8, 9. Only 2. 5 minus 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. He have left 32 kites. Amar have 32 kites now. Amar have 32 kites now. Now, my dear students, here at the end of this page, there are sums. Write numbers correctly and find the difference. Subtraction sums here, and on the next page, page number 38, these sums you have to do in your homework today. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care. We will meet in our next class.